You're not afraid of food. You eat every day. But what if the most dangerous meal isn't the one that looks strange, it's the one that looks completely normal? Because danger in food isn't about appearance, it's about chemistry, invisible, precise, and unforgiving. Number 5. Something deceptively ordinary, rhubarb. The stalks are tart, delicious, safe when prepared, but the leaves? Loaded with oxalic acid and toxic compounds that bind calcium in your body. At high exposure, they disrupt your electrolytes and strain your kidneys. Same plant, different part. The line between food and poison is razor thin. Number 4. Then there's nutmeg. Warm, aromatic, found in desserts around the world. In small amounts, it comforts. In large amounts, it distorts reality. Compounds like myristicin interfere with the brain's chemistry, causing hallucinations, confusion, even cardiac stress. It's not a toxin that shuts you down, it's one that scrambles the signal. Number 3. Travel to the Caribbean. A bright red fruit hangs from a tree, Ackee. When it ripens naturally, it opens on its own, almost like it's telling you, now I'm safe. But eat it too early and you trigger a metabolic collapse. Its toxin, hypoglycin A, shuts down your ability to generate glucose. Your brain, an organ that runs almost entirely on sugar, suddenly runs out of fuel. The result? Severe hypoglycemia, vomiting, seizures, a condition known as Jamaican vomiting sickness. Not poison in the traditional sense, but a system failure, a body that can't power itself. Number 2. Now shift to a rural kitchen. A family prepares cassava, a humble staple that feeds millions. It looks harmless, earthy, familiar, but inside are cyanogenic compounds, dormant, waiting. If processed correctly, soaked, fermented, cooked, it becomes nourishment. If not, it releases cyanide. At the cellular level, something terrifying happens. Your cells can no longer use oxygen. You are breathing. Oxygen is in your blood, but your body is quite literally suffocating from the inside. Number 1. Imagine sitting at a pristine counter in Tokyo. A chef prepares fugu, slicing it with surgical precision. Every movement is controlled, every cut deliberate. Because inside that delicate fish is tetrodotoxin, a molecule so powerful, a dose smaller than a grain of salt can silence your nervous system. It doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt, it simply switches you off. Your brain keeps thinking, your eyes can still see, but your body stops responding, paralyzed as if the signal lines have been cut. So what ties all of this together? It's not culture, it's not geography, it's biology. Each of these foods targets a critical system: nerve signals, energy production, glucose supply, brain chemistry, electrolyte balance. They don't attack randomly, they go straight for the controls that keep you alive. And that's the real story. These foods are not dangerous because they exist, they're dangerous because of precision. The wrong cut, the wrong preparation, the wrong moment, and a perfectly normal meal becomes a biochemical shutdown. Because in the end, the most dangerous foods in the world don't look deadly. They look like dinner.